Here's how to do this back dive to double 360 drop. It's harder than it looks. If you're learning this drop, you should already be able to do a 360 fairly comfortably. This is just the addition of the fallback before you dive through. Now, the first thing you need to learn is to get the momentum, to get the height, to get through that second time. So practice this. Fall back and try to catch yourself before coming through. That's the tricky part. Once you've got that, now you're ready to add the double. Climb up as you normally would, cross the fabric behind your back, invert again, and climb up again. So if you don't get the height and the momentum from the back fall, you'll get stuck and have to climb back up after the first drop. So from here, take a really big push backwards. Really push as hard as you can, lift up, and that will give you the momentum to get through that second time. Have fun with this one, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.